Yes, Ravan. So let's see here. In the new NCRT book, Ganita Prakashan, Maths, Class 6, है ना? There are total 10 chapters. Okay. The first chapter is patterns in mathematics. In this, we will see the patterns formed by numbers, lines, or any other things. Okay, many more. Okay, so this will be very interesting sub chapters for you. Okay. Huh. And after that we will see about the line and angles. Okay, in this we will learn about line segment, है ना, ray. Okay, many more things. Okay, ठीक है. Now after this we will also learn about the angles. Before it we have to learn the vertices, है ना, and the other things. Slowly we will go to the angles and the types of angles we will see in detail. Okay, after this in the third chapter we have to learn number play. This will be also very important or interesting chapter for you. Number play, by name you can just think it, है ना. Number play means in this chapter we will play with numbers, है ना, just like we play with our friends, siblings, cousins, है ना. Similarly we will play with numbers, है ना. So by sound or by name you can understand ki how easy it will be interesting, right, है ना. Now after this we will see data handling and presentation. It's also very interesting subject, है ना, data handling. Okay, and presentation. Okay, before starting each and every chapter or topic we will first understand the meaning of each word of the topic or chapter. As here in when I will explain this chapter or learn this chapter, when we will explain I will explain it in detail. Okay, just here I am giving a brief information. Okay, data means information, data means information. Handling means to handle the data, to handle the information, है ना. Suppose you have two maths book. Okay, three English book, one Hindi book, two social science book, and one science book. So this is information. 2 3 1 2 3, this is information. Now you have to handle it. Handle means suppose you have to arrange it in a ascending order, है ना. Ascending order, ascending order means from smaller number to greater number, smaller number to greater number, right. So first we will arrange one Hindi book, then one as social science book, or we can keep it together, है ना. After that two social science book, two maths book, and three English book will come in top, right. So this is handling. Handling for information, of information, information, that is data. So this will be known as data handling. Okay, है ना. So now you can say now, or now you can imagine now how this chapter will be interesting, right, है ना. Here presentation, now we have to present it in front of anyone. So as it is raw data we will learn it, the types of data, है ना. In types of data we will learn raw data, है ना. Okay, so raw data, this is known as raw data. When you will arrange it or modified it, okay, then we can represent it. Is it clear, है ना. So this thing we will learn in this chapter. After this we will learn prime time, है ना. This is also very interesting chapter because we should know about the times also, है ना. We should know how to see the time, how to watch the time, right, because we many times in a day we see a clock, है ना. We takes the help of a clock, है ना. That's why it is important to keep the information about the time. Okay, these things we will learn here. After this, perimeter and area. Perimeter and area, this is also very interesting and important chapter. This chapter is also important as per your day-to-day life. Okay, suppose you have to measure this marker, which term we will use? Length of this marker, है ना. Which term you will use, perimeter or area? Perimeter, है ना. Suppose you have to find the this is your maths book. Okay, suppose this is your maths book. Suppose you have to find the portion of the surface of table, है ना. Surface of table that is covered by your maths book. You have to find it. You have to find it, है ना. Suppose you want to, this is the table. Okay, this is the table and you want to find the portion covered by the maths book. Then which term or which logic or which concept you will use here, perimeter or area? Area, है ना. So now you can say ना कि the surface covered by any object is known as area. That's all. Too simple, है ना. So in this way we will learn each and every concepts. Okay, and we will focus to clear the concepts. We will not go with the important questions, very important questions, previous year questions. No, yeah, we will discuss it in the last. Okay, after completing our 7, but our priority will be to focus in our concept. Okay, because if your concept will be clear, then you may touch each and every questions in your exam, right? And it will be also helpful in your competitive and entrance exam. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, now let's see here. After this we have to see fraction. What we have to see? Fraction, है ना. अच्छा, after this, playing with construction. Playing with construction, here we will see how to make right angle triangle, right angle 90 degree, 45 degree, other things. Okay, then a very interesting subject, chapters among all these subjects, that is symmetry, है ना. This is very interesting subject. When I was in 6th and 7th class, for me this chapter was very important, very interesting, है ना. Okay, now there is one more, the last, that is the other side of zeros, है ना. The other side of zero, this is also very important, interesting chapter. We have, do you know the one of the side of the zero? Suppose here is 0, one of the side, it will be 0 plus 1, it will be 1, plus 1, it will be 2, then 3, then continue till infinity, है ना. It will continue till infinite. Is it clear? Clear है? Okay, or any doubt? No. So this is the one of the side of 0. Here there is also the other side of 0. Okay, so we will see this side of 0, what it will be. Can you guess it? -1. Yes, very good. Your concept is cleared, I think, na? Yes, sir. Yeah, okay, wow, बहुत बढ़िया, है ना. It will be -1, then -2, very good. Next, -3, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा श्रवण, है ना. Now after this, now tell me one question. Can I ask one question? Okay. Which one is greater, -3 or -1? Sir, -1. -1. Are you sure? Yes, sir. According to you, -1 is greater, but here it's 3. But here it's 3. It should be greater, na? Here it's 1. Here it's 3. then I think it should be greater. What is your opinion? Yes. Ashravan, tell me.
Sir, -3.
-3, are you sure? You have changed your answer.
No, sir.
At that time you said -1, now you are saying -3.
Sir,
Yes. Okay, relax, don't worry. Okay, yes, you are correct. -1 is the greater. Okay, I was just confusing you. Okay, so don't be confused, है ना? Many times I will play with you. Okay, remember. Okay na? But you have to just focus on your concept and don't change your answer. Okay, because do you know, when you will sit in higher classes in viva exam or oral exam, the examiner mainly see the confidence of the student, whether he is confident or whether the student is confident in their opinion or not. Okay, so that's why always focus on your concept and definitely you will get the confident on your answer. Okay, now why -1 will be greater than -3? When we learned about the negative numbers in the beginner class, our teacher says कि negative are just like borrowed money, है ना? They are like borrowed money. Suppose you borrowed 1 rupees from your friend. Okay, today you borrowed 1 rupees from your friend. How much money you have to pay her or give her? 1 rupees, right? Next day you borrowed 3 rupees from her, your friend. Okay, then how much money you have to pay her? His
-3.
-3, right? Or you can say 3, है ना? Which one will be like a burden for you, 1 rupees or 3 rupees?
Sir, 1.
Burden. Which one will be burden for you, to pay, to give back 1 rupees or to give back 3 rupees?
Sir, give back 1 rupee.
1 rupees. It will be burden life for you.
No, sir.
I said burden. Do you know about the burden?
No, sir, I don't know the meaning of it.
Acha. Then always remember one more thing, Shravan. If you didn't know the meaning of any word, you should say कि excuse me sir, I didn't understand, can you please explain it, है ना? So if you will do this, then definitely you will achieve the target, okay, or the aim. If you will skip it, then you may lose the some points. Okay, because as you come here for learning na, and I came here to teach you, to guide you, right? So our motive should be that ki when you go back after the class, you should learn one new things every day, at least one new things. Okay, so if you will skip like this type of concepts or the meaning of any word, then can you get the aim? Can you achieve the aim? No na?
No, sir.
No na? So that's why never be panic, never be nervous, never be feel same. Okay, just be confident and say कि excuse me sir, I didn't understand this concept or this word, can you please explain it? Okay, ठीक है, समझ में आया? या फिर मैं एक बार हिंदी में बोलूं?
ठीक है, सर.
क्लियर है ना? ओके, कहने का मतलब क्या था कि आप यहाँ पे आए हैं पढ़ने के लिए, राइट? कुछ नया चीज जानने के लिए, है ना? तो आप क्लास के बाद जब जाएंगे, क्लास ओवर करने के बाद, तो उस टाइम आपको रोज कुछ ना कुछ एटलीस्ट एक नया पॉइंट आपको जानना है ना? अगर इस तरह से मैं बोल रहा हूं और कोई वर्ड अगर मीनिंग आपको नहीं समझ में आया, तो आप तुरंत रोक के पूछिए, क्योंकि आप नहीं पूछेंगे तो वो आपके माइंड में डाउट रह जाएगा, है ना? और फिर क्या उसके आगे से जो रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट्स होंगे वो समझ में आएंगे आपको? नहीं ना? तो इसीलिए जब भी आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा, यू शुड से कि एक्सक्यूज मी सर, जस्ट कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन मी, है ना? क्योंकि देखिए जब भी क्लास में आप रहते हैं ना, तो वहाँ नहीं आपको सेम फील करना है, ना ही नर्वस, अनकॉन्फिडेंट, ये सब कुछ नहीं करना है। बस ध्यान में एक पॉइंट रखना है माइंड में। यू शुड रिमेंबर वन पॉइंट इन योर माइंड ओनली, दैट यू कैम हियर टू नो समथिंग, दैट्स ऑल, बस। ठीक है। और स्कूल में भी पढ़ाई करते हैं तो यही चीज़ माइंड में रखिएगा कि मैं यहाँ पे कुछ सीखने आया हूँ, दैट्स ऑल। बाकी कौन क्या सोच रहे हैं मेरे बारे में क्या नहीं, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं। मुझे डाउट हुआ है तो मैं पूछूंगा, चाहे मेरे फ्रेंड हंसे या कुछ भी सोचें, उससे आपको मतलब नहीं रखना है। ठीक है, गॉट इट। तो अब अभी के बाद कोई भी डाउट होगा तो यू विल आस्क मी ना, पक्का, प्रॉमिस,
Yes, sir.
श्योर?
Yes,
ओके। सो बोरो मीन्स उधार लेना, बोरो मीन्स,
sir, you're taking.
हाँ, बोरो मीन्स,
You're taking the money.
हाँ, that means you are taking some money from your friends or any contact as a loan. Do you know about the loan? So that amount is known as, do you know about the loan?
No, sir.
No. Suppose you borrowed 5 rupees from your friend, okay? It's mean that 5 rupees will be like a loan amount. It will, that 5 rupees will be known as loan amount, okay? और यू कैन से बोरोड अमाउंट। ठीक है, बोरोड कहने का मतलब उधार लेना, किसी से मैंने कुछ पैसा ले लिया है, बाद में मुझे वापस करना है, आई हैव टू रिटर्न इट, सो दैट अमाउंट विल बी नोन एज लोन अमाउंट और बोरोड अमाउंट। ठीक है। अच्छा, बर्डन कहने का मतलब, बर्डन कहने का मतलब कि विच वन विल बी टफ फॉर यू, विच वन विल बी टफ फॉर यू, टफ, बर्डन, टफ, बर्डन मीन्स टफ, tough for you to pay back 1 rupees or to pay back 3 rupees? Yes, tell me.
3 rupees.
3 rupees है ना। It's mean when you will borrow or take 3 rupees from your friend, then you will be in more burden, है ना, then you will be in more burden, right? Because you have to pay, you have to give back more amount, right? It's mean you are in more back. ऐसा भी हम कह सकते हैं ना कि आप ज़्यादा पीछे हैं, क्योंकि आपको 3 रुपीज़ रिटर्न करना है, और वहीं अगर 1 रुपीज़ करना है आपने मम्मा से लिया और फिर दे दिया, है कि नहीं। ठीक है, तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट से हम समझते हैं कि जितना भी नेगेटिव नंबर्स में आप इधर साइड आइएगा, कहने का मतलब -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, तो इधर जैसे आप जाएंगे क्या होगा, नंबर का वैल्यूज इंक्रीज करेगा, द वैल्यू फॉर द नंबर विल बी, ऑफ नंबर विल बी इंक्रीज। और जितना आप पीछे जाएंगे, व्हेन यू विल गो बैक, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10 लाइक दिस, द वैल्यू विल डिक्रीज, है ना। इट इज जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, इट इज जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ पॉजिटिव नंबर। इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर है ना? ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
तो ये तो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया, जस्ट ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर द क्लास 6, है ना। क्योंकि जब आप क्लास 6 में आते हैं ना, 5 तक तो सब ओके ओके रहता है, बिकॉज 5 till 5 वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ प्राइमरी क्लास। नाउ यू आर इन सेकेंडरी क्लास, राइट ना। तो नाउ योर बर्डन हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज्ड, आप पे जो बर्डन है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, वो क्या हो गया, बढ़ गया है ना। चाहे स्कूल में हो, ट्यूशन में, या फिर घर में। नाउ यू हैव टू बिहेव लाइक अ मैच्योर, है ना, बिकॉज नाउ यू आर इन 6th क्लास ना। यू शुड चेंज योर बिहेवियर, वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, लैंग्वेज, है ना। बिफोर सेइंग समथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपुल, यू हैव टू थिंक वंस that what you are going to say, right, है ना। So in the same way, in education, syllabus, curriculum, now you are one level up, right? Till 5 you was in primary class. Till primary we learned the basic things in math, science, anything, okay. Now as you are in secondary class, okay, or it is also known as lower secondary, the 6th class, है ना। So you should change, now you have to change the strategy for learning, है ना। you have to give at least 3 to 4 hour daily as self study, है ना। okay, self study means
So studying by yourself.
Yeah, suppose you are doing school's homework and tuition's homework, they all are will come in self study or not?
Yes, sir.
No, doing school's homework, tuition's homework, other work, they didn't come in self study. Okay, self study means you are doing revision of any previous chapter, previous topic, by writing, not by orally, है ना? Always do the revision by writing, not by orally. Okay, got it? है ना? So you have to increase the strategy, the timing of self study and all other things. Okay, and you have to do the work on the same day, otherwise the next day it will become burden for you again, है ना? तो don't make burden to anything. Okay, try to complete your work on the same day. Is it clear? Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Raman. So let's see here. Mainly we will start our first chapter tomorrow. Okay, means in the next class. Today we will just see the basic concepts in maths. Okay, as in maths you will see, or you see number everywhere, right? The first thing, whenever anyone say maths, then the first thing which which hit your mind is number, है ना? जब भी कोई मैथ्स के बारे में बोलते हैं तो सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में क्या हिट करता है? नंबर, राइट? सो टेल मी, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द नंबर्स? व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द नंबर्स? Yes, Raman.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. I am here to guide you, right? Yes, let's see. In numbers, can you give me some example for numbers?
10.
What?
10.
10. Okay. Any more?
11.
11. Okay. Why we called it 10? Why we called it 10? Why we can't? Why we didn't call it 5, 9, 12? This is the basic question, na? Why we called it 10? Why we didn't call it 1? Can you tell me? They are just symbols. What are they? They are just symbols. The mathematicians gave it a name. That's all. Same like in Hindi, English. In English, we learn English alphabet, right? As A, B, C, D, E, है ना? है कि नहीं? So these all are symbols, right? है ना? A symbol like this and name it as A. And name it as A, है ना? So when you was child, है ना? When you was holding your pencil, at that time your mother draw like this and called it, Shravan called it A, and from that point you know, yeah, this is A. If your mother draw this one and said, called it A, तो क्या होता? आप अभी तक इसको ए कहते फिर, है कि नहीं? तो एक ऐसा सिंबल जो आपके पेरेंट्स के, मदर के द्वारा लिखाया गया और बार बार बोला गया कि इसको बोलिए ए, कॉल इट बी, बस. क्योंकि ऐसे ऊपर से आपको पहले से तो नहीं पता था ना कि अच्छा इसी को ए कहते हैं, है कि नहीं? अगर आपके एल्डर ब्रदर, सिस्टर या मदर जो भी आपको गाइड किए होंगे बचपन में, अगर आपको लिखाते ऐसे और कहते कॉल्ड इट टू, क्या कहते हैं? कॉल इट टू. तो अगर अभी आपसे कहा जाता कि टू लिखिए तो आप कैसे लिखते हैं? इस तरह लिखते हैं, राइट? है कि नहीं? तो ये सब क्या है? जस्ट सिंबल्स. हिंदी में वर्णमाला, है ना? डू यू हैव अ लैंग्वेज पेपर हिंदी?
Sir?
Do you have a language paper Hindi in your school?
Yes, sir.
है ना, यू हैव ना. तो इन हिंदी वी लर्न वर्णमाला, राइट. वर्णमाला, अंडर इट वी लर्न स्वर एंड व्यंजन, है ना. सो दी ऑल दोज आर सिंबल्स, है ना. सिमिलरली इन इंग्लिश ऑल अल्फाबेट्स आर सिंबल्स. सिमिलरली इन मैथ्स numbers are symbols. What are they? They are
Symbols.
just symbols, है ना. See here. So we can say that numbers are symbols which is used for counting. जिसको किसके लिए यूज किया जाता है? काउंटिंग के लिए. ठीक है. अब इसी चीज को आपने पढ़ा होगा कि देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स. हमने पढ़ा है ना. वन ऑफ दिस Hindu Arabic numeral. Do you know about it?
No, sir.
Arabic numerals. And the another one is Roman numerals. क्या है? Roman numerals, है ना. Yes. Do you know ना? Hindu Arabic numerals and Roman numerals, which is known as Roman number. You have already learned these things ना? In third, fourth class. Remember it? Right? Hindu Arabic numerals. How many digits? How many digits in Hindu Arabic numeral? There are thanks. Let's see here. As I was saying that ki the digits in Hindu Arabic numerals, right? There are 10 digits. How many digits? There are 10 digits in Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, 10 digits. Okay, what are they? What are they? Can you guess it? It's too simple. What are they? They are 0,
0,
1,
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9. That's all. Till 9. है ना. Let's count it. Let's count it. 1. We are counting it. है ना. 1,
1, 2,
this will be the second digit ना. We are counting it. है ना. हाँ. So 0 will be the first. It will be known as 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
there are how many digits?
10.
10 digits. Now the very interesting point is that the number which you see, all numbers are formed by using only these 10 digits. Have you noticed ever? Let's see here. Tell me any number. Any number. Yes?
7.
7. This is one digit number as it is here. Now tell me 4 digit number. Any 4 digit number.
4,005.
4,000.
4,560.
60. There are 4 digits here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see. What are they? The first digit is
4.
here it is. Second.
Yes, 5. 6. 0.
0. जितना भी नंबर आप देख रहे हैं श्रवण, वो सारा नंबर यही 10 डिजिट से मिलके बना हुआ है. ठीक है. ये हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमेरल्स के अकॉर्डिंग हुआ. रोमन नंबर में टोटल 7 डिजिट्स होते हैं. ठीक है. जो कि आपने देखा होगा 1 को हम ऐसे लिखेंगे, देन 5, है ना, 10 और फिर 50, 100, 500, 1000। तो जब हम रोमन नंबर को पढ़ेंगे तब हम इसको थोड़ा डिटेल में देखेंगे। अभी हम हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमेरल्स के बारे में जान रहे हैं कि हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमेरल्स में हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स, हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स इन हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमेरल्स? देर आर 10 डिजिट्स, है ना। व्हाट आर दे, व्हाट आर दे? 0 to 9, 0 to 9, है ना। स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट क्या हो जाएगा? 0 until 9, it will go till 9. So any number that you see, all number are formed with the help of these 10 digits. Clear है? Is it okay? आज के लिए हम यहीं तक कंटिन्यू करेंगे, ठीक है। ये जस्ट बेसिक मैंने दे दिया आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन, ठीक है, अबाउट द नंबर, क्योंकि मैथ्स पढ़ने जा रहे हैं और नंबर ही तो यहाँ होगा, है कि नहीं, सिर्फ नंबर ही नंबर होगा। तो ये जस्ट बेसिक डिटेल था, है ना। बाकी कल हम अपने फिर फर्स्ट चैप्टर से स्टार्ट करके कंटिन्यू करेंगे, ठीक है। फॉर नाउ प्लीज नोट डाउन इट इन क्लासर कॉपी, ठीक है, ठीक ना। यहाँ मैंने सारा 7 नहीं लिखा है, ये हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे, ठीक है। अभी वरना आप कंफ्यूज कर जाइएगा, जस्ट ये 2 में आप डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकें इसीलिए मैंने बता दिया इसको थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। क्लियर है? तो इसको नोट डाउन कीजिए एंड आफ्टर दिस टेल मी।